Hello everyone, welcome back to the Infoflux. In today's tutorial, we are going to explore how to interface a DS18B20 temperature sensor within Arduino UNO. The DS18B20 is a digital temperature sensor known for its high accuracy and ease of use. The DS18B20 temperature sensor is a one-wire digital temperature sensor. This means that it just required one data line and ground to communicate with the Arduino UNO. It has a temperature range of minus 55 degrees C to 125 degrees C and an accuracy of plus minus 0.5 degrees C. The sensor operates on 3 volt to 5.5 volt. It is an ideal choice for various Arduino based projects. To get started, make sure you have the following components: Arduino UNO, DS18B20 temperature sensor, jumper wires, LED display, buzzer, and breadboard. Connect the VCC of the DS18B20 sensor to the 5 volt pin of the Arduino UNO. Connect the ground of the DS18B20 sensor to the ground pin of the Arduino UNO. Connect the signal wire of the DS18B20 temperature sensor with digital pin 4 of the Arduino UNO. Connect the VCC of the OLED with 3.3 volt of the Arduino UNO. Connect the ground of the OLED with ground of the Arduino UNO. Connect the SDA pin of the OLED with a 4 pin of the Arduino UNO. Connect the SCL pin of the OLED with a 5 pin of the Arduino UNO. Connect the buzzer with digital pin 5 of the Arduino UNO. First, we will install the required libraries. After uploading the code to the Arduino UNO, we can see the temperature on the OLED. When the temperature will be increased from 40 degrees C, the buzzer will be turned on. We can also measure the temperature of water using the DS18B20 sensor. It is a waterproof sensor. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Arduino and electronics tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more exciting projects and we will see you in the next video.